Here's the news of the day. AUVSI urged Congress and DoD to boost funding to accelerate deployment of uncrewed systems, emphasizing the need for agile acquisition and naval integration to support defense readiness. Leonardo's AW-249 helicopter, named Fenice, participated in the Stella Alpina 2024 exercise, demonstrating advanced multi-domain interoperability and connectivity for the Italian Army. Moya Aero is developing electric and hybrid eVTOLs for cargo transportation, aiming to launch full-scale prototypes by 2025 and start commercial operations in 2027. Fiji Airways will pilot Otis Aviation's hybrid VTOL cargo aircraft to provide low-carbon cargo and emergency medical routes across Fiji's islands, expanding regional connectivity. AirAsia and Airbus partnered to explore sustainable aviation fuel production and advanced air traffic management in ASEAN, aiming to reduce carbon emissions. Comstock Fuels partnered with SACL to build 3 biofuel refineries in Australia, producing 1.5 million tons of renewable fuels annually, including sustainable aviation fuel, gasoline, and diesel. Formula One is partnering with DHL to use sustainable aviation fuel for 20% of its cargo flights this season, advancing its goal to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2030. Future Energy Global earned RSB certification as an accredited SAF trader, enhancing its role in building a sustainable aviation fuel ecosystem with rigorous environmental and social standards. Montana Renewables supplied sustainable aviation fuel made from Minnesota camelina to Delta Airlines at Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, marking the first use of SAF at the hub. 12 raised $645 million to accelerate development of its sustainable aviation fuel plant, Airplant 1, aiming to begin production in 2025 and scale CO2 conversion technology. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.